Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we will take the 12th day lead code challenge of February. Number of steps to reduce a number to zero. It is a easy solution. It is a easy question, so it would be easy for us to solve this question and to understand also. But I will explain each and every step so that each step is crystal clear. Given a non-negative integer, num, return the number of steps to reduce it to 0. If the current number is even, you have to divide it by 2. Otherwise, you have to subtract it from 1. So we have to count the number of steps. So here the number taken is 14 and the output is coming 16. So let me explain you how it will come. So if I'm taking 14, please don't avoid my bad handwriting. Okay, now if I'm taking here 14, so I will divide it by 2, it will come 7. As it is even, 14 is even, so I will direct divide it by 2 and 7 will come. Now 7 is an odd number, so I have to subtract it by 1. Now subtracting from 1 will also be considered as one step. Here it is this is the first step. This is the first step. Okay, now the answer is 6. 6 is even number, so we will directly divide it by 2. So it will be 3. And the same manner it is odd, so we will subtract it from 1. And then here the answer will be 2. Now the number is even, so I will again divide it by 2 because it is even, and the answer will be 1. Now 1 is odd number, so I have to subtract it by 1 and the answer will be 0 over here. So the number of steps we have covered here are: first step, dividing it to 7, then subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 steps. 6 steps total, because in the last step we are getting 0, so we will pause here. Okay, so this is a very easy solution. Let me code. You will get it. I will code it using C++. Okay. C++ according to me is considered good for programming, for CP especially. And else I code in Python and Java also for development purpose. Okay. I will show it using 2 ways. Both the ways are very easy for this question. Okay, so I will initialize a counter to -1, and if the number is 0, then it will return C plus 1, means it will return 0 because the number is 0. Already we have 0. No need for any operation no need for us to perform any operation over here. Okay, sorry for equal to 0. I have to take a num. I'm forgetting. This is a very easy question. If you all are not, first you have to try these questions by your own, because it will be very good practice if you continue doing this lead code challenge. It will be a very good practice for new programmers also. But if you are not getting, you should refer to the solution, because much time to any solution should not be given. It is just a time waste. First, give your time 100% with full concentration. Then if you are not getting anything, you need to change. Okay. Now we will use here 2 loops. Here, if the number is even, we will divide, and else we will subtract and then counter, and then one more counter, because for this step we are using it counter. Okay. So I think that's it, and we need to return C. Okay. Now let me submit this question. I need to see. First, let me run it. Let me see. We are getting the solution, desired output. Okay, I missed semicolon over here. I just really hate these types of compile time errors. Okay, so we are getting the expected output. We will submit it. Okay, now the solution is accepted. Okay, now let us just go through the solutions. Okay, here mostly one type of solutions are only there because this is a really simple problem. You have to use one while loop or for loop, and you have to use counter in it. So there is no need to just, this is the runtime. Okay, now another method you can do, you can use counter variable in many formats. Like here you you need not to, okay, else you need to you are doing, you can do these things in different steps, like this. Let me run. This will also be considered as a solution. Okay, here then you need to do it 0, no need to C++. Many solutions are there. There is, okay, you are getting 6 over here. So I hope you understand the solution. Please hit the like button if you understood the solution, and do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest update. Thank you all for watching. Happy coding.